glucose 6-phosphate dehydrogenase deficiency. The glucose 6-phosphate dehydrogenase deficiency is an inherited disease. The disease characterized by hemolytic anemia caused by the inability to detoxify oxidizing agent. यानी जो डिटॉक्सिफाई एजेंट है उसको ऑक्सीडेशन नहीं होने की वजह से हीमोलाइटिक एनीमिया होता है. The oxidation means the loss of the electron causes the oxidation process, and the gaining of electron is called as the reduction process. We will see later. The G6PD deficiency is X-linked. Clinical manifestation of G6PD deficiency is a neonatal jaundice appearing in 1 to 4 days after birth. So as I told you, the gain of electron, this process is called as the reduction, and the loss of electron is called as the oxidation. So role of G6PD inside RBCs. The glucose 6-phosphate dehydrogenase enzyme, you can see in this cycle, this convert the NDP into NDPH. Okay, so this glucose 6-phosphate dehydrogenase deficiency impair the ability of erythrocyte RBCs to form NADPH. तो NADPH फॉर्म नहीं होगा, रिजल्टिंग इन हिमोलिसिस. से क्या होगा, आरबीसी रप्चर हो, हिमोलिसिस हो जाएगी. एंड इट प्रोड्यूस द ऑक्सीडेंट ट्रेस. सर्टन ड्रग इन्फेक्शन फ्लाविन्स. तो यहाँ से क्या होगा, ड्यू टू it produce the glutathione peroxidase, and peroxidase is it is responsible for the hemolysis. The diminished G6PD activity impair the ability of the cell to form the NADPH that is essential for the maintenance of the reduced glutathione pool. तो ये ग्लूटाथियोन को रिड्यूस स्टेट में रखने के लिए इसेंशियल होता है. दिस रिजल्ट इन अ डिक्रीज इन द सेलुलर डिटॉक्सिफिकेशन. तो जो टॉक्सिक सब्सटेंस है वो रिमूव होने के लिए तो की जो प्रोसेस है वो डिक्रीज हो जाती है of the free radicals, and instead of free radical it produce the peroxidase from within the cell, and peroxidase cause the harm to the cell. The glutathione also help maintain the reduced state of the sulfhydric group in a protein including hemoglobin. The oxidation of those sulfhydric group lead to the formation of denatured protein, and that form insoluble mass called as Heinz body that attach to the red cell membranes. So this is the diagram of Heinz bodies. The additional oxidation of membrane protein cause the red cell to be rigid, means less deformable, and they are removed from the circulation by macrophages in the spleen and liver. तो आरबीसी की जो लेवल है वो कम होने की वजह से क्या होता है, एनीमिया होता है. Why G6PD deficiency has more effect on RBCs? Although G6PD deficiency occur in all cells of the affected individual, it is most severe in erythrocyte, where the pentose phosphate pathway provide the only mean of generating NADPH. तो ये ज़्यादा pentose phosphate pathway में अफेक्ट करता है. यहाँ पे NADPH फॉर्म ही नहीं होता ड्यू टू G6PD डिफिशियंसी की वजह से. The erythrocyte has no nucleus or ribosome and cannot renew its supply of the enzyme. Thus, red blood cells are particularly vulnerable to the enzymes variant with the diminished stability. तो RBC ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्या होती है, it's vulnerable to the enzyme हो जाती है. The precipitating factor in G6PD deficiency is most individuals who have inherited one of many G6PD mutations do not show clinical manifestation, that is, they are asymptomatic. However, some patients with G6PD deficiency develop hemolytic anemia if they are treated with oxidant drug, thiamine, or contract a severe infections. Oxidant drug, antibiotic, for example, sulfamethoxazole and chloramphenicol. Antimalarials, for example, primaquine but not quinine. Antipyretic, for example, acetanilide but not acetaminophen. Favism, the hemolytic effect of ingesting farbin is not observed in all individuals with G6PD deficiency, but all patients with favism have G6PD deficiency. तो जो favism है उनमें all individual में जो एंजाइम है G6PD की क्या होती है, डेफिशिएंसी होती है. Infection is the most common precipitating factor of hemolysis in G6PD deficiency. The inflammatory response to infection results in generation of free radical in macrophages which can diffuse into the red blood cell and cause oxidative damage. तो macrophages RBC को भी क्या कर देते हैं, डैमेज कर देते हैं. The clinical symptoms is very severe chronic hemolytic anemia greater than 10% chances, severe episodic hemolytic anemia chances also greater than 10%, moderate 10 to 60%, and none is less than 60%. Blood test can detect G6PD deficiency either by measuring the G6PD enzyme activity between episode or by measuring the bilirubin during an episode. The direct measurement of G6PD activity in RBC is by spectrophotometer. Screening G6PD fluorescence spot test. Fractionated serum bilirubin TSB, total serum bilirubin increase DSB, direct or conjugated serum bilirubin N, and indirect or uncoagulated in DCB is also increases. Completed blood features CBC and rective profile, low HB anemia. Genetic test for variant. Blood smear with stain for his body blood film may show contracted and fragment cell, bit cells and blister cells. Thank you.